In this video, we will be highlighting a customer favorite. Glazed Edges by Influance helps you achieve a smooth, long-lasting hold that leaves edges feeling and looking firmer, shinier, and healthier. Some benefits include excellent holds, non-flaking, and great for relaxed and natural hair. To use, apply a small amount of glazed edges around the hairline of natural or relaxed hair. Comb or brush until the hair stays in place or smooth with fingertips. Glazed Edges is easy to use at home or in salon, and it's perfect for all hair types. You can definitely tame those flyaways with this non-greasy, non-sticky formula for a polished look. And that's it.